Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to update your credit card in Freshbooks. The first thing I'd like you to do is to load your Freshbook account, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing is how can you create an account on Freshbooks? First, launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type freshbooks.com and that's going to walk you right into the official website for Freshbooks. Once you get into the website, follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And of course, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features that have an exciting time in Freshbooks. So now we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to update your credit card in Freshbooks. Head over to the left navigation panel where you have dashboard, client estimates, invoices, receipts, payments, expenses, project time tracking, accounting, reports, apps, team members, items and services, bank connections, and settings. Go ahead and click settings, and that takes you right into the settings window where you have a couple of order information. So you have the business profile category, you have the connections and integrations category, you have advanced preferences. So go ahead and click on online payment, and that takes you over here. So let's say you have connected Freshbooks with Stripe and connected your credit card as well. Of course, if you've connected your credit card and then you connected it with PayPal and connected your credit cards as well, your online payments window or your online payment gateway, your credit card, you're definitely going to be stored here. So this is where you can manage your credit cards. So once you have connected, and that's of course it's integrated into Freshbooks already, go ahead and click on the credit card that you want and update the information from there. So update it, you can change the credit card to something else. All right, that's after you've connected it with either Stripe or you've connected it with PayPal. So this is where you can manage your credit cards in Freshbooks. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.